Okay guys, as you see here, my dad is pulling up to park it. I think that he's done, and I just think he's done, and then so I'm not done. So I keep riding around, and then this happens. It's funny. This is just to stop that. Sorry, I'm following up, but I'm ending the video doing a donut, but I'm not actually ending the video because of this.
Oh, no way! No way! I'm gonna catch up! Oh my god! I'm gonna end this video after this. Good morning, guys. He's literally running around with the motorcycle. Now, I hope I never... Oh my god, he's going through the trail. Oh my god.
And this is when it starts to be cool.
Oh my god! My dad's awesome! He's running! The motorcycle in the yard. This might be a separate video. He's doing it just for my video, guys, though. Major shout out to my dad. Good thing is I'm keeping up with the 1000 Virago. Oh my god! Is my dad going to the dirt bike trail? Oh my god. What is he doing? He's riding with me in the dirt bike trail.
Future Nick, just to warn you, there's a tree, don't...
Oh,
and
my
you hit it.
helmet just got hit. My dad's a savage. My dad is a savage. I bet he's in first, I'm in third. Uh-oh. Oh my god. This is so awesome. Alright, he's going on the road. Or no, he's not. Wheelie it, Dad. I put it in first gear and let out the clutch. What is he doing now? Uh-oh. Burnout. I want to do the same. My dad's a savage. Yo, he's literally riding his
Okay
dirt
guys,
bike, I mean,
Future
his
Nick back,
motorcycle
aka I am editing right now. As you can see, my dad is parking, and I'm gonna go make the outro, and when I hit the tree, I lost this.
Kinda need that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to let me know by a like or comment. Don't forget, chase your dreams. Play the outro!